Minnow, we need to talk. Minnow, ah! Minnow, we can't go on like this. We need to sort this out. Minnow, are you in there? Maybe he's sleeping. Minnow, oh! Minnow, I think we need to talk. There's a lot of tension between us, and I think, if you could just calm down for a minute and listen to what I'm saying. I think, look, we have to share this space together, and we need to come to some arrangement. If you'd stop being so violent. Listen, I think maybe a mediator, and each listen to each other with a third party there. What do you think? What do you think? I'll take your silence as an affirmative. Oh!